The Thermo Expert. Smart thermostat advice that actually helps.
Energy bills are still crushing a lot of households in 2026. And most people do not realize right now there are government schemes helping some homes pay for insulation, heating upgrades, heat pumps, and even smart heating controls. But millions of people never apply. Some do not know the support exists. Others assume they will not qualify. That is a mistake. Because in 2026 the rules changed. Some older schemes have already closed. Others are endable soon. And the support available now looks completely different from what people were reading online just a year ago.
But here is the important part. The money did not disappear. In many cases, the support actually became bigger. Some households can now qualify for free insulation,
heating system upgrades, heat pumps worth thousands of pounds, and support with energy bills during winter.
That's great.
The problem is not that help does not exist, is knowing where to look.
who qualifies, which schemes are still open, and how much support is really available. For the full breakdown, exact figures, and direct application links, make sure you subscribe.
The biggest change came through the government's Warm Homes Plan. The government has committed almost £15 billion toward improving UK homes by 2030. Let's start with ECO4. This is still one of the biggest energy support schemes in the UK. ECO4 stands for Energy Company Obligation. Basically, large energy suppliers are required to fund home energy improvements for eligible households. And the important part is this. If you qualify, the work can be completely free. We are talking about upgrades like loft insulation, cavity wall insulation. Let's discuss home energy upgrades, solid wall insulation and boiler replacements, heat pumps and solar panels, draught proofing and smart heating controls.
Who qualifies? Usually households receiving benefits like universal credit, pension credit, housing benefit, income support, or certain disability-related benefits.
Oh, I see.
Right.
But here is the part many people miss. Some councils also use something called LA Flex. That means even households not receiving benefits can sometimes qualify based on. Really, how does that work?
Yes, what are the criteria?
The Thermo Expert, smart thermostat advice that actually helps. Subscribe for more home heating tips and visit thethermoexpert.com.